snow. Hello boys and girls, I'm Kiwi Jeff, and for this video I am on holiday in New Zealand. And now I bet you're wondering, how is the weather in New Zealand? Boys and girls, the question is, how cold is it in Christchurch, New Zealand? That's a good question, boys and girls. Bam! There's snow on the hills. That's just near me. I could go touch the snow right now. That cold. It snowed last night. It didn't snow on the ground here where I am, but in the hills, all white with snow. It's so cold, I'm freezing. I don't know if you can see, but just wearing a top, and I think I'm the only one doing that. I was showing to Miranda, showing to my wife, look, I'm so strong. I don't get cold. Everybody else is wearing a jacket. I should have 100% worn a jacket. Bad move by me, not a good idea. It's freezing cold, snow freezing cold. The temperature here is, it's not 40 like in Taiwan, it's not 14, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 degrees. It is so cold. I got a haircut before I left Taiwan to come here, so at least they're looking good, but no, it's so cold. I shouldn't have got that haircut. Now, I'm going to show you a house in New Zealand. Let's walk up to this door. This is the front door for my mum and dad's house, my parents' house, and let's knock. And let's see who opens the door. Ah, there's Elena. Elena's inside. Alright, come here, boys and girls. The first thing we'll see, something a little bit different than in Taiwan. Not many houses in Taiwan have this. This is called a hallway. All the rooms of the house attached to the hallway down there are all bedrooms and the bathroom and the living room. But we're going to go through this door over here and we're going to see the first room in the house. This is the kitchen, boys and girls. A big kitchen. We have kitchens in Taiwan, maybe not as big as this kitchen. A big oven that we don't really have in Taiwan. Stove, fridge. Alright, Elena's gonna show you the cat. What's the cat's name, Elena? Not saying. You're not gonna say Tamuka. Tamuka the cat. Alright, very good. Come this way, boys and girls. Then we have the next part, another room that's not so common in Taiwan. The dining room, nice big table, TV to watch, and then continue on. We'll go into one more room before we go look outside. This one is the living room. We all have a living room in Taiwan, but maybe not as big as this. You can see the couch, the chairs, family photos. You can see the outside and one doggy. And a big TV. And should we see the doggy? We go whistle for the dog. Here we go. No, Dusty. The garden. Don't have a garden in Taiwan, unfortunately. Usually, maybe if you live in a community building, you might have a bit of an area. But every house in New Zealand, for the most part, most houses have a big garden. Here we go. You can see the garden table and chairs. A dog running around causing trouble. Boys and girls, mums and dads, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You can find my Facebook page in the description below, and please share them with your friends. Have a great day. Thank you, bye-bye.